Hi, I'm Jason Wells of the Wells Realty and Law Groups. I am talking with you today about the fiscal cliff and what it is. Everywhere you go, you can't help but hear people talking about the fiscal cliff. You probably hear it on the internet, from Facebook to YouTube, to whatever news site you check out. You hear it on the radio, TV. It's literally everywhere, people talking about the fiscal cliff and what exactly does it mean. Well, I want to break that down to you. It really comes down to three main things. The first is that the payroll tax cuts that have been in place, as well as the Bush-era tax cuts, are going away. Come January 1st, they are automatically removed and they will not apply going 2013 forward. The second thing is there are tax increases. The tax increases are going to apply to every tax bracket that a person has, well, that anybody earns income in. The minimum increase that somebody's going to feel is 3%, and it goes up to as much as 5% increase on your income taxes. The third is automatic spending cuts. Now, over the last several years, the Obama administration has been placing several things into the tax code that are set to expire all at the same time and will mandate certain tax cuts. So what does this mean? Spending cuts, excuse me. So what does this mean, the tax cuts, the tax increases, and the spending cuts? What does all that come down to? Well, it equates to between $600 and $700 billion that are going to be ripped out of our economy. This money is going to be applied towards trying to get the deficit under control and stuff. So there are people out there who believe that going over the fiscal cliff is a good thing because it's going to help get our debt under control. However, to have this much just ripped out of the economy is going to amount to extraordinary numbers of job losses. In fact, the number of job losses just from one portion of the tax cuts is 2 million jobs. Essentially, we would be facing another major recession. Given that we are just coming out of everything, we really need our tax code to be refined. We need our congressmen and senators to get this together and mitigate it. I don't think we're going to avoid the cliff entirely. In fact, there's no way to really avoid it entirely. It's just a matter of how we're going to implement each piece as it goes along so that we don't end up taking a complete dive all at once and undo all the recovery that we have had. So that's basically it. That is what the fiscal cliff amounts to. Check out our other videos where I'll break down what additionally means for real estate and for homeowners and for you investing.